Hello everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's discussion, we are going to discuss about the particle nature of electromagnetic radiation. So, the first point is what is an electromagnetic radiation? So, let's discuss about this. Radiation is a form of energy which travels through space and it has both the components, electrical component as well as magnetic component. That is why it is known as electromagnetic radiation. And in our universe there are many different types of electromagnetic radiation which are present, like radio wave, microwave, infrared, visible, ultraviolet, x-ray, gamma rays. Okay, gamma rays, not guns here, rays. So I hope you may have heard about these waves uh, at any time of your life. So I've made a small acronym for this to remember the radiations. Like Roman men invented very unusual X-ray guns. So from here you can remember Roman R radio wave, man microwave, and so on and so forth. Okay. So what is this particle nature? So the first scientist who came in the forefront to discuss about the particle nature of radiation was Max Planck. Because before Max Planck, the popular belief was that the radiation is a wave. The radiation propagates in wave. It was a popular belief or opinion before Max Planck. So Max Planck was a German physicist and he won the Nobel Prize also. He was the German physicist. He said that atoms and molecules atoms and molecules could emit or absorb energy only in discrete quantities, not in continuous manner like this. The popular belief that was earlier, it was said that radiation travels through continuous wave like form. Max Planck rejected this theory and he said that atoms and molecules absorb or emit radiations in the discrete quantities, like these discrete quantities. And he said that these discrete quantities these discrete quantities are one discrete quantity which is individual is known as quantum, and the entire thing is quanta. So quanta is a plural thing and quantum was the or is the singular term. Okay, Planck gave this name quantum to the smallest quantity of energy that can be absorbed or emit by any atom or molecule. Okay, so the amount of energy this quantum possessed, it was directly proportional to the frequency of the radiation. Like we have a quantum, so if we have to calculate the energy of this quantum, we need to know the frequency of the radiation. Okay, so E was directly proportional to, or it is still not was, E is directly proportional to nu. Okay, and whenever we remove the directly proportional symbol, we add a constant or we multiply with a constant that number. So the constant here was Planck's constant. This H is Planck's constant because this entire concept was given by Max Planck, and the value of Planck's constant is 6.626 into 10 raised to the power minus 34 joule second. Okay, so this was the value of Planck's constant. So the only thing which we need to remember here, that Max Planck said that the atom and molecules absorb or emit energies in the form of discrete quantities, and these discrete quantities and these discrete quantities are known as quantum. Okay, discrete quantities. And to further prove his theory and to like capitalize on the particle nature of the electromagnetic radiation, Henrik Hertz came up with the photoelectric effect experiment, which was later verified by the Albert Einstein. Okay, so in the next video I am going to discuss about the photoelectric effect. I hope you enjoyed this discussion, so please don't forget to like the video, and if you like it then please subscribe also to the channel. Okay, hope to see you all in the next video.